Deep inside your bones lies a hidden factory. This is the bone marrow, where every drop of your blood is born. Millions of the stem cells work tirelessly, creating the red cells that carry oxygen, the white cells that protect you, and the platelets that stop bleeding. In a healthy body, these stem cells divide with perfect balance, releasing strong, mature blood cells into your bloodstream, keeping you alive and strong. But sometimes the code breaks, a single mistake appears in the DNA of a stem cell. That tiny error changes everything. The cell begins to multiply wildly, refusing to die. It creates copy after copy of itself, broken immature cells called blasts. This is the beginning of blood cancer. Soon the marrow is overwhelmed. Healthy cells are crowded out. The factory that once made life now produces only chaos. The cancer cells flood into the bloodstream and travel everywhere, invading lymph nodes, spleen, and organs. There are many types. Leukemia attacks the blood forming cells. Lymphoma grows in the
In
lymph
leukemia, the
system.
bone marrow
Multiple
is crowded
myeloma
by
targets the
abnormal
cells
blast
that make
cells.
antibodies.
Lymphoma features
All of them
swollen lymph
disrupt
nodes
the
packed with
delicate
cancer
balance your
cells.
body needs to
Multiple
survive.
myeloma causes
As
bone to
healthy blood
weaken
cells
as
disappear,
plasma
the body
cells
begins to
proliferate.
struggle. You feel exhausted, bruises appear for no reason, infections come more often, bones itchy. The silent takeover becomes impossible to ignore. But we fight back. Powerful medicines flow through the veins, hunting the cancer cells. Targeted therapies strike the precision. The battle is fierce, but it can be won. Newer weapons are even smarter. Immune cells are taken from the patient, engineered in the lab to become cancer assassins, then sent back into the body. They hunt down every lost cancer cell with deadly accuracy. Today, more people than ever are surviving blood cancer with early detection, advanced treatments, and relentless research. The future is brighter than ever. Your body is stronger than you know, and also is the science fighting beside it. Blood cancer is beatable, hope is real.